Hey everyone, if this past week is any indication, this year is going to be really bonkers for AI healthcare news. Hi, I'm Ryan Flynn. I cover how AI is impacting healthcare for my AI RX newsletter. And this past week was the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference, which is an annual event, sort of the Super Bowl of investor meetings and conferences in the biopharma industry. So every major company was in San Francisco for a week. There were bankers there, there were analysts, and I also do some freelance journalism for a company called Biotech TV. So through Biotech TV, I interviewed at least a dozen CEOs of companies that are using AI in some form or fashion. But just looking at the news flow from the event itself, some of the big announcements involve how Eli Lilly and NVIDIA are pairing up for a 5-year, $1 billion collaboration. They're going to build a lab in South San Francisco to work on innovations in this space. So a lot more to be seen with that. With the companies that I talk to, a lot of them are in the earlier stages or building models that can help companies improve drug development. And I sort of was just blown away by the speed of acceleration. And this is sort of echoed too with what the executives are telling me, that the things that they're doing now or projecting to do this year were impossible just a couple of years ago, because the models they're building are feeding on themselves. A lot of these models are collecting data, fitting it back into the system so it can make better determinations of either a target or how to treat patients. Anyway, it's a really fascinating time. I'll be posting and sharing some of my Biotech TV interviews on this channel, but check out my AIRX newsletter for regular healthcare AI news, and look here for more videos on how AI is impacting healthcare.